Safelite repair, Safelite replace.
A broken windshield shouldn't wreck your schedule. With Safelite, it doesn't have to. We'll come to you for free, wherever it works for you, so you're able to do your own thing, whatever that is. Safelite's complete mobile service can repair, replace, and recalibrate, even in your driveway. It's your windshield. Get it fixed your way at Safelite. For free mobile service, go to safelite.com.
Safelite repair, Safelite replace.